Hi, did you know what are the federated identities? Right? So, federated identities are those which are sourced from external organizations, external parties, or third party solutions, which includes or which could be, and it could be Active Directory ADFS, which is Active Directory Federation Services, as well as the cloud services, including Entra ID, AWS IAM, Google IAM, as well as Okta identity providers as well, right? So these are the third party solutions or third party providers, and now it could be between each other organizations or each organizations. For example, there is A organization and there is a B organization. Now they wanted to communicate. So if organization A is trying to reach out and communicate, and they wanted to make sure they should be able to communicate effectively, definitely they would be utilizing their identity to communicate with B organization, right? And now the B organization is something they do follow their organization identity to manage and access and everything across their own resources, as well as be it a public or private cloud resources as well as, right? And now the identities are communicating. That means whatever the identity is coming from outside the domain, outside the organization, that is going to be a federated identity for B organization, which is of course organization A, right? So in this case, whatever the communication is coming from outside, from B.com organization, right? So that's going to be federated identity, and that can be integrated and trusted for the trusted communication, right? So that's how the federated identities is called as it is called as and sourced from the third party or external identity providers, right? So let me know on this. What are your thoughts? How those are being utilized in your organization, or what are your experiences, what are your thoughts around it, and I'd be happy to answer anything that you might have. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.